Hello and welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Today is April the 30th. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, I'm Ashrat, developer advocate for Kubescape from Armo, and with us we have Matthias.
Yes, one of the maintainer of Kubescape. So let me share my screen to show the agenda. Good. Maybe I should make it bigger, right?
No, they're fit.
Yeah.
There we go. And then it's huge. That's fine.
Yeah, it's a bit too big.
Yeah, because you don't have the pagination anymore. They created a bug with the new feature, but whatever, it's fine. Good. So let's start by talking about LFX mentorship opportunities, I should say. No, it's mentoring. We'll be mentoring. We have two ideas that we're submitting to this summer mentorship program. Still haven't really added them. The PR is still pending, so I'll talk about it verbally, and in the notes you have the link. You go to the repo, you can read everything you want there, and of course you can talk to us on the Slack channel on Kubernetes Dev or Kubernetes on the CNCF Slack, and we can give you more information. The highlights are this: Kubescape has a plugin for VS Code, which is very useful because it doesn't break your flow if you're working on writing something and you need it to be checked for configuration or according to your specific frameworks. The thing is that we've moved forward and the plugin has stayed in place, so it needs an update, which means that this is an opportunity to work on a VS Code plugin, to work on Kubescape, to work with Ben as a mentor, and as a mentor, and also with David, although Ben will be taking the lead on this, possibly, probably, not possibly. The other thing, since we're going to do a summer of plugins. So the other thing we're talking about is a plugin for Backstage. About a year and a half ago, we did a hackathon at Armo, and we put together a plugin for Backstage, but that was the old plugin system, and we never proceeded beyond alpha on this. However, after KubeCon in Paris, where we've seen how widely embraced and happily embraced the whole Backstage plugin ecosystem is now, being accepted by the community. We think that there's a lot of value in providing a Kubescape plugin for Backstage because it makes it easy to add security information or highlights or a view of security into an internal developer portal, which then makes it quite easy to kind of understand what the status is, and only if there's a problem go in there. This requires some knowledge of the new plugin system, some TypeScript knowledge, and all of that will be in the document. And again, if you have any questions, find us on the CNCF Slack under Kubescape or Kubescape Dev, and we'll answer any questions. Mentors here will be Rotem. She is a wonderful teacher, just like Ben, and backup mentor. And Matthias, I hope you're sitting, will be Matthias, but Rotem will be doing the heavy lifting, so no worries.
Good.
And that's all, folks, for me. And sorry, did you close that other window, or so just as a kind of as a note? You can see that the Menti applications open on Monday, May 13th, and close on Tuesday, May 28th, which gives you a 2-week window to apply for mentorship to be a mentee. And we'll be happy to have you. So please don't miss that window. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, maybe I will add this to the notes here. So that, oops.
That's me. Yeah, sorry.
Go ahead.
Okay. Is it working? No. Come on.
Yeah, I can see it.
Now, yeah, I'm looking at I'm looking at your screen rather than mine. uh, um, okay. No, not this. This. Should I link to the issues on Kubescape?
Yeah, I think I have them here in the triage
Okay.
board. So and then the backstage one.
1.6. It's the same one, but 6.6, I guess, or one
Yeah.
after.
Good.
Good. Cool. Um,
Awesome.
okay, I think we have
Yes.
everything.
Good. All right. So now we can speak about new release. So between the two meetings, we only had like one release for the Helm chart. However, we are working on making a new release right now. So hopefully by tonight, we will have another release of the operator and a Kubescape release as well. But let's focus on the one we have, and we will cover the other one in 2 weeks from now. So actually, this this new Helm chart release contains a new object for the network neighbors called that will replace the network neighbors, because we have like an English issue in
Yeah.
that, in a way that yeah, you have a network neighbor, then several network neighbors are inside the neighbors, and in Kubernetes you need a plural for all objects. So at some point we had to go to find a plural for several network neighbors. So that's how this horrible name of neighbors was invited, and now I can finally fix it. So instead of saying that several neighbors are neighbors, I introduced the concept of neighborhood, and also the way the neighborhood is structured internally is more in line with the other objects that we have, like application profiles and application activities. So now we are transitioning. So both objects are still valid, and we will deprecate the old one and only use the new one to generate network policies, record the network activity, and so on. So this will come soon. And
And just
also,
one thing, here, for those of you old enough to remember, we are. I was laughing because of the memories from Windows 3.11 and Windows 95. So, because that's terminology from there, network neighborhood.
oh, yeah, really? Nice.
Yes, yes. Craig sent me a screenshot from
Ah,
someone.
nice. But actually, it's kind of
It makes
poetic,
more
no?
sense.
Yes, makes more sense. So yeah, so that's one thing, and the other thing is the KDR. I think we had
Mhm.
KDR beta in this one. So, but I guess at some point we will make a proper presentation of this new feature in this
Yeah,
channel.
we're working on documentation as we speak. I was looking at some documentation that we're writing about it. Just for those of you that are listening in and aren't in the know, KDR is Kubernetes Detect and Response, or threat detection and response. Um, Currently, what we're talking about in the release is the fact that we will be having a lot of detection at the moment. And with regards to the response, it'll come in subsequent versions, or possibly will only be implemented in ARMO platform. We need to see about that.
Yeah, thank you. So, and now, yeah, the work that is being done today for the new release, it's to have like the proper beta for the KDR feature. So yeah, pretty soon it will be available for testing. Good. Now I think we can move to the triage. So I already opened those two. So actually, so this is it. It should be closed because of this. So good.
Always fun to
Okay.
close an issue.
Yes, exactly. So this one is like a feature request, which is
Mm.
very interesting. I can explain quickly, and I think I will add the first issue. So yeah, so some teams, you know, they use labels to recognize which workload belongs to which team, which department. And what they would like is that any CRD that we create with Kubescape for the scan results or inherit the same labels so that they can use the same filters to see the scan results. So I think it's
And
cool.
this can be used for, and this can be used for both for a cost center allotment and also for operational ownership, I guess. Those are some
Yes,
things that
but
right.
except that our CRDs do not have running pods, so
Mm.
maybe it's less relevant for resource consumption. But yeah, I think it
Yeah, but
helps people
mm,
find
okay.
their stuff. So interesting one.
Yes, and it's a good first issue for anybody who's listening.
Yes. So this one is a nice bug. I need to check with David. It was
Mm.
created last month, but we didn't have time to work on it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's been a busy month in terms of holidays, and still is.
Yes, exactly. Plus, I mean, for sure, the exception mechanism works because we are using it extensively. We just probably need to document it better.
Okay. Documentation bugs are the easiest to fix, I would say.
I mean, it depends. Sometimes it's better. Sometimes it's easier to fix the code than the documentation.
Depends on for who.
Yes. I think. Yeah, and now the 2 plugins for Backstage. So those are definitely features, not bugs. Good.
Do we have a mentorship label as well or not?
No.
No. Okay.
We have the Oktoberfest, but that's not the one.
No.
Okay. So now checking. Yeah, this one also we need to look at it. This one. Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, I don't know if it's no, we don't need more information. We have it. It's just we need time to work on
We
this.
need to test it, yeah.
Yes. So this one we have someone assigned.
Oh,
Yes.
nice. Thank you.
Yes, whoever you are. So accepted, good first issue. This one is fine. Yeah, we do, but I will follow up
Okay.
on this. And then, oh yeah. This one I opened twice. Okay. So good. Yes, those I knew already. Okay, fine. So now we can move on to the PRs, and I think this one is quite empty because we did some things. Okay. Not even sure we need.
No, needs reviewer, not review.
No. But this one is
Yeah, this is
just
just
the
text.
dummy one. Yes.
Why did you put it? Did you put GitHub Actions here or kind of create a flow?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yes, that's the famous one from the LFX Menti.
Mm. I wonder how his talk went.
How is, sorry?
He did a talk last week at OSS.
Yes. Yeah. I saw. I
Okay.
haven't checked for the video yet. So.
Yeah.
So here. Yeah. He needs to rebase. Then he did. But David still has like one change requested. Okay. So, oh yeah, that's an old one. I remember. Yeah, Now it needs review and it's assigned to David. Oh no, okay. Good. Sure, it's still relevant, this one.
Yes, it's still relevant.
Don't know. And if not, we will revisit it when we look at finishing the continuous scanning.
Yeah.
So I think that's it. Yes.
Nice.
Good. Nice. So I stop sharing my screen. So I guess we will see each other in 2 weeks from now.
In 2 weeks? No, we're talking to, well, the whole group will see each other in 2 weeks, but you and I are
Yes.
talking on Thursday.
Yeah,
Enjoy
for
your
sure.
class tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.